Good morning. It's about 6 a.m. I think it was raining all night. I I think I got a decent night's sleep, but I did hear, every time I woke up, I heard rain. I think it's raining now. I look like shit, I'll tell you that. So what are we gonna do today? I don't know. Your guess is as good as mine. I had planned on camping again tonight, but I rode all day in the rain yesterday, and I think it's gonna be another day like that today. And all these campgrounds are on like muddy gravel hills. I almost dumped Lola coming in here yesterday, coming down to the site, and I'm pretty anxious about riding her up that hill today to get her out. So if it's another rainy day, we might get a hotel tonight. If it was dry out, if it was a nice sunny day, I'd definitely camp again. I guess let's look outside, see what it looks like for now. Too dark. I'm gonna get my boots on, go out there, make some breakfast, make coffee, start packing up and figuring out what to do next. Alright, we're all packed up and ready to go to leave Fayetteville, West Virginia. Here's the mud that I almost dumped her in yesterday when I was trying to back her in. And it probably doesn't show on camera, but that hill is pretty steep. So I'm not looking forward to that. I guess that's what I get for making fun of John's driveway all week. But I'm going to hit the road. I don't know where I'm going. It's clear now. I know I'm going to hit some rain. So just wish me luck getting up this hill, and then we'll move on down the road, see what we find today. Alright, so I only made it a couple miles down the road and I decided to pull over and put my rain gear on. It's not raining yet. I know I'm gonna hit it. I don't want to be wet all day. So I threw the rain gear on. We made it out of that campsite alright. I was just worried because if she goes down on the pavement, I could pick her up. If she goes down in the mud, we're gonna have a scene straight out of My Cousin Vinny. And I don't have Marissa Tomei to help me. Alright, so I'm probably gonna ride back into Virginia. And then we'll take it from there. And we're gonna be dodging rain all day. But what are you gonna do? It's still fun. Still rather be on two wheels. Still had a great time. Alright, I'll check in later. We are in Lewisburg, West Virginia, and it's been dry and the sun's peeking through. Why is the sun peeking through? Because I have rain gear on. Works every time. Alright, so obviously we're not at a campground. We're at the Holiday Inn. I'm in, where am I? Wow. Where am I? I'm in Woodstock, Virginia. We left Fayetteville this morning, left the campground, and it wasn't bad riding today. It was on and off rain all day. Sun would come out, then it would rain. Sun would come out, then it would rain. I was originally going to go camp up in Paw Paw, West Virginia, but all the campgrounds are just covered in mud because they've been getting pounded with on and off rain here the last few days. So I said, I didn't get a hotel yet the whole trip, so I grabbed a hotel tonight. In Woodstock, Virginia, which is right off Interstate 81. And I'm just going to rest up tonight, probably edit a little video, get something to eat, drink a beer, and tomorrow morning I'm going to decide. I'm right on 81, so I'm either going to shoot back south and do Skyline Drive for a day or two, or I'm going to head back home. Because I pretty much, even though it didn't go exactly as planned with the rain, I had a great time. I did the important things I wanted to do. I wanted to hang out with John and Dawn and see how it was down in Tennessee. And believe me, it's on the top of my where to retire list. So that was a lot of fun. And so if the trip ends tomorrow and I head home, I'm good with it. But we'll see what I feel like in the morning, see what's going on. And like I said, even with the rain, it was a great trip. I had a really, really good time in Tennessee. There's a lot of crazy shit going on in the world today. You got civil unrest, you got viruses, but let me tell you, on that porch in Greenville, Tennessee, none of that mattered because it seemed like America was normal again. It's nice to see that there's still parts of the country that are like that. Nice to see that there's still parts of the country that are a little slower and a little more old-fashioned and not like the rat race and hustle and bustle and all the shit where I live up on the East Coast in New Jersey. So that was really cool to see. Like I said, I did what I set out to do. What happens tomorrow? We'll find out tomorrow. I'm going to sit here, edit some video. I'll talk to you later.